Hey, this is Dan Froelke here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you stopping by. In this video, I want to show you how to increase your affiliate sales for 2018 and beyond. You know, I've got a strategy I want to share with you that I learned probably about a year and a half ago or so, and when I implemented the strategy, it really increased my sales dramatically. All right, so I want to share that with you today, and I really hope you get some value out of it, and thanks for watching. Thanks. Okay, what exactly is a bridge page, and how will it help you increase your affiliate sales? All right, well, first of all, it's called a bridge page because it bridges the gap between your capture page and your main sales presentation. All right, and the advantages are that it gives you the opportunity to brand yourself, allows you to introduce yourself before you send your prospects to the main sales presentation. So it warms up your audience before they get to your sales presentation. It also allows you to pre-sell your product. Okay, for example, if you had a product that you're selling, an actual product, and it helps you out, you might want to mention the advantages of the product before they actually see the product. And you know, you can include that in the bridge page. And it also allows you to set yourself apart from the pack, and that's extremely important. As a matter of fact, when I understood this, this was about a year and a half or so ago. It's when I first created my first bridge page. When I realized that, my sales increased dramatically. So I absolutely love what this bridge page strategy is, and you should implement this strategy. So right now I want to show you exactly where a bridge page goes on my little whiteboard here. All right, so let's turn this on here, the drawing thing. All right, so I want to show you exactly where we put our bridge page and where it goes. All right, so first of all, we've got the capture page right here. You've got your little opt-in form, and you've got your traffic. Going right there, traffic, and of course, after the opt-in page, we goes right to the sales presentation, right? So this is how the normal sales funnel is. Oh. So you've got your sales presentation here, maybe a sales video, blah, blah, blah. And of course, after that, it takes them to where they can purchase whatever it is you're selling, right? All right, so that's the sales funnel that we all know, right? However, the bridge page strategy goes like this. So this is where the actual bridge page is going to go, right between the your capture page and your main sales presentation. All right, so this is the bridge page here, and it could be just a video of yourself introducing yourself. You could add some copy in here, and I'm going to show you a couple of my bridge pages. So here's how it goes now. You've got the traffic going in, your capture page, they opt in, it goes to your bridge page, and then they're redirected, to your sales presentation, and then on to the end there. So that's exactly how it flows. Just wanted to show you so you're not confused on where it goes. It goes in between the capture page and your sales presentation. All right, here's an example of a bridge page that you can create very easily. And all it is you can just shoot a video, just an introduction, explaining who you are. And, like you're the average person. I was struggling. I was looking for ways to make money online, and then I discovered this system. And then at the end, you're going to give them a call to action. Click the button below, and it's gonna take you to the system that I want you to check out, and you'll be glad you did, or something like that. Okay, again, very easy to create, And this will make all the difference in the world. And it's a very simple way, and it'll help you increase your affiliate sales. What exactly do we say on our bridge page? Okay, so well, first of all, you're going to start out with your story, okay, and which is going to point out a problem that everyone can relate to. You know, it's going to relate to people. Then you're going to provide a solution, and then at the end, a simple call to action. So all I have to do is click the button below or something like that. So for example, here's my story. For years, I was a stonemason working outside, and as you can imagine, that's a lot of hard work. You're outside in the elements, the hot sun, and it's a lot of heavy work, hard on your knees, hard on your back, and I was doing that for years. I developed a back injury, and I had to get shots in my spine to relieve the pain, and this went on for a long time, and I really could not handle it anymore. I had to stop, and I had to look for other ways to make money. All right, so I turned to the internet because I was always intrigued about people who made money online. You know, people who living the laptop lifestyle. So I got online, started to look for a solution and answers on how to make money. I tried a lot of things, but I failed miserably until I found this system right here that I want to show you. And then you just have to give them the call to action. You know, click the button below to learn more, and it's as easy as that. Okay, so I want to show you one more bridge page that has a little more involved. All right, now this is an example of another bridge page that I used and have had great success with. I wish I could take credit for the ad copy, but I cannot because I hired a professional copywriter for this job. And this person has years of experience in our work from home niche, and he's really an expert in this field, and he does a fantastic job. And again, I use him every once in a while for big projects. I'm using him right now to do some ad copy for an offline thing that I'm doing. Now, every sentence on this page is crafted with three things in mind: know, like, and trust. Okay, everything from the headline, and then I'm going to scroll down a little bit. But again, every single thing, every single word on this page is crafted so people understand, you know, that I'm an expert in my field. Okay, that they know my story, that they know who I want to work with and who I do not want to work with, and how to get started, where to get started, and how I can help them solve their problem. That's what this page is all about, from the big headline up here to the call to actions right here. Okay, and my story. So anyway, that's what this bridge page is all about, and I truly believe that having a bridge page makes all the difference in the world, and it will increase your affiliate sales. There's really no question about it, because people get to know you first, and they know the person that they're going to be dealing with. And of course, a copywriter is not cheap. You can spend anywhere between $3,500 to $5,000 on a simple page like this. Now, I'm not talking about the page layout. Okay, I did that. I'm talking about the ad copy itself. Okay, so just the ad copy, between $3,500 to $5,000. Now, is it worth it? Well, just so happens to this bridge page here is hooked up to a system that I've been having great success with, and you know, I've made over $120,000 in less than 8 months. So you know, is it worth it spending a few thousand? Absolutely, it's worth it. And anytime you can get a professional, outsource a professional. I'm not talking amateur guy that thinks he knows copywriting. I'm talking about a professional copywriter that has years experience in our niche. That's I guess that's who you want to go with. And you know, and if you're interested in knowing this person, I can you know, just leave a comment below, and I can certainly hook up with you and tell you about how to get a hold of him. Okay, so those are two bridge pages, two examples of bridge pages for the bridge page strategy that I have here. And, you know, I'm certain if you implement any one of these, it will increase your affiliate sales. You know, I'll go ahead and leave a link to this bridge page. Actually, you'll have to opt in to my site, and you can check this out for yourself. And again, I can go into every single paragraph, and I can tell you exactly the strategy behind every single paragraph. Okay, so that's what a real copywriter does. All right, there's meanings behind every single sentence. All right, so hey, this is Dan Froelke. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you click the little bell there so you're automatically notified when I upload these videos. And if you are interested in learning what I'm doing to create a six-figure plus income every single year from the comfort of my home, all you have to do is click the link below. And my family is the most important thing to me, so one of my requirements when choosing any business model is for it to not overwhelm my life. And that's why I love automation and outsourcing. And, you know, I'm getting really good at it. So, you know, if you want to know what I'm doing, all you have to do is click the link below. And, or if you have any questions about this video or questions about any of your online stuff, you know, just leave me a comment below and I'll always answer it. Okay, so again, this is Dan Froelke. Thanks for watching. Have a great marketing day.